Patrick Evans goes to the top. Yeah, he overtakes Parsons here.
Patrick Evans.
Big whip looks all the way back.
Easily the most improved rider this year and maybe the best.
It's finally raining in SoCal. And by raining, I mean it's drizzling very lightly. Everyone's acting like there's a tsunami coming into town, but really we're gonna get maybe just enough rain to keep the dust down. Ty Evans texted me on the way over here. Badass filmer, he made like skateboard movie like We Are Blood and all kinds of other stuff. Might meet up with him and probably take a look at some pretty badass camera gear, and yeah, it should be a pretty sweet day. I'm out of fuel, I need to put this into that again.
No. Really? That's the worst part of the whole day by far.
Yeah, I know. This is the right gas, right? Okay, ready now? Oh god.
Yeah, we just gotta
do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stay on it. Stay on it. Don't back off. That looks like two-stroke gas.
This is two-stroke gas.
Stop.
What am I gonna do, man? What am I gonna do?
Dumping rain pretty good right now, but the word on the street is that we're not getting any rain right now in Retchie Canyon.
It's raining here right now. I do know that. That's for damn sure.
Dude, what is on the other side? I don't even know where I am. Oh shit, that was scary. I couldn't see anything.
4x4 extravaganza.
Dude, that right there is how low all trucks should be, man.
Dude, I really want to get a hearse and just daily that bitch, but if I had a hearse, I don't think I could get it back here.
You'd have to make it four-wheel drive.
See, but that would like ruin the effect, I don't know.
Yeah, for sure. Mud tires on a hearse?
Yeah, that wouldn't look that sweet. Or would it?
Or would it?
Comment below.
Question for sound. Could I put this on you?
All imagination, that's what we were doing.
Go. See, as a safety meeting,
Yeah.
just so you guys know, yes, these things will fuck you up. So
Hell
please
yeah.
don't approach it. If it seems like the drone is starting to go out of control, like get out of its way. So please do know, yes, that this will hurt you badly if you get in contact with it.
Ew.
Yo, that was fucking.
Oh, kept her in the frame, boys.
Yo, that was the one.
That was
the one. That was fucking sick. Fuck yeah.
Pouring down rain. Never thought I'd see the day. We got rained out of Retchie. Holy shit, I'm hauling ass.
Dude, what? Where did my other knee pad go? Please don't tell me. No! No, no, no!
Justin left one knee pad at home, and he's really not having a good time right now.
Like not made for content TV. Like I'm actually really let down.
I said double down on sweatpants.
I might honestly just wear a sweatpants. Like at this point,
You could wear 2 pairs of pants and no knee pads at all.
just socks and sweats.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be like a complete day ender. We'd have fun still.
bummed out, man. That's not the way to start the day. Now I'm like getting dressed to throw sweats back on. It's like shitting after a shower. I'm gonna ask you. This is what I do, man.
So turn back, the silence is deafening. Turn back, don't let them see you again. Make the round at the midnight hour. On the clock, it's just a minute away. So we're hours away. The mistake is and the hunger for the living helps them hunt it with the greatest of now I'm finding my friends hanging from trees made of
He is thinking about it. And here comes the 71 of Patrick Evans lining it up. A clean flip. That's going to be a pretty high score.
let them see you again. They make the rounds at the midnight hour and on the clock it's just a minute away. So we're hours away in our only mistake is when when the hunger for the living helps them hunt it with the greatest of these. No experience could ever match the sight of when a person is through. If it's the last thing I will do, I'll be the one that will escape from hell, yeah. I will. So turn back, the silence is deafening. Turn back, don't let them see you again. They make the rounds at the midnight hour and on the clock it's just a minute away. So turn back, the silence is deafening. Turn back, don't let them see you again. They make the rounds at the midnight hour and on the clock it's just a minute away. So we're hours away, in our only mistake is when the hunger for the living helps them hunt it with the greatest of these. No experience could ever match the sight of when a person is through. If it's the last thing I will do, I'll be the one that will escape from hell, yeah. I will.
Little hill climb to sunset, dude.
Big reveal. That's about a damn perfect evening right there.